Hello, wonderful woodpeckers. We are really looking forward to welcoming you back to school tomorrow. Myself, Mrs. Mushing and Mrs. Bohr have been really busy sorting out all our classroom and all our things to learn. So let's have a look at what we've been up to. So as you can see, you're going to come through the library doors in the morning and into the Key Stage 2 corridor. And our classroom, it's the classroom that we had before. So it's the first one on your left. So we're very lucky to be in the same classroom. As you can see, all our tables are like we had before, in rows, all facing forward to the front. You've got your own tray. So when you come in tomorrow, have a look for your name. It's on your times table book that's in your tray to see where you're going to be sitting. You've got your own individual packs there. And at the end of the day, we're going to go out through the year, the doors by the year 6 and year 5 and 6 classroom, by the pirate ship, and then out through the gates at the side. So we're really looking forward to seeing you. We've really missed you. So is Mrs. Bohr and so is Mrs. Mushing. So there we go. So we'll see you in the morning. Looking forward to seeing all your smiley faces. See you later. Bye.